A customer brought this scrubs shirt to put the patch on it. So it's supposed to be 2 inches down from the left shoulder seam. So this is the left shoulder. I'm going to create a temporary seam first with my press iron, and I'm going to measure 2 inches, 1 and 2 inches down. And so the good thing about this patch, it has this sign up here showing 1 and 2 points. So 1 point is going towards this seam and another point is going towards this seam. And I'm going to press it gently. It has an adhesive, and just slightly put steam and keep it there. The glue will melt and it will stick to it. So it's kind of going to take a little while. Now I'm going to stitch it. So it's slightly stick to it just to make sure that it doesn't move. I'm going to shift it as I go, slowly. So I pressed it to make sure that it doesn't shift from its place, because it's supposed to be exactly 2 inches down from the left shoulder seams. That's the mandatory requirement for the scrubs. And to cut it now, it's all good from the back. So now I'm going to press it firmly, and then it will be more flattened and looked more professional.